Rhythm also was talking about it earlier. One of the things that the court said, Shravan, and I want to bring in, Zulfikar here. Zulfikar, the court said, imagine if a former police commissioner is saying he has a threat to his life. And the beautiful part about it is, this former police commissioner who once hated CBI coming into any of the cases that he used to frame, fake, fabricate, right? Today says, I want only CBI to investigate. He says, I'm comfortable with the CBI investigation. And to take that point further, what the court said was, think of the common man, right? Just one example of what happened under Parambir Singh. What happened under Parambir Singh? A journalist, one second. I want to make, Zulfikar, I'll just complete my question because, I really wanted to say this today, Under Parambir Singh, there was an operation called Operation Arnab, where officers were handpicked. The weapons that they carried were chosen. It was all done in a manner where the media would be there and they would get maximum mileage, right? And we respect the Mumbai police, right? The same Mumbai police which carried out Operation Arnab to arrest a journalist with over 100 police officers cannot find a former police commissioner who has 2 non-bailable warrants against him and 5 FIRs filed. Do you know, people are laughing about it. You know what? People write to us and they're laughing about what's going on. Zulfikar is a lawyer. What do you make of it?
It's very sad. It's absolutely very, very sad what is happening, and that the sitting police commissioner who then had to go underground and all of that. And what Iskandar, the lawyer friend made that police kisi ko bhi pakad sakti hai. I mean, that could be, I agree to that point, but that could be in a case of some chate hue badmash that the police can find. But in a case where the police has to find a brother in police only, so the intelligence and the smartness operates at both the sides. So we must know that. And the observation in the Supreme Court today, is very concerning for everyone. Really, what would happen to a common man is a great concern. But very interesting development today on a few counts. The Honorable Supreme Court has granted relief to Parambir Singh by stating that he shall not be arrested, which is more of a blanket order because it does not specify which case and which FIR, because we all know that there are multiple FIRs against him in the state. However, interestingly, the Supreme Court has asked Mr. Singh to join investigation in the state and has not stayed the investigation per se, which probably would have happened. This means that the prayer of Mr. Singh seeking transfer of all the cases to CBI has not been decided yet. And that by way of the notice issued to the respondents, this is yet to be decided. However, in the meantime, the interesting thing will be to have Mr. Singh join the investigation in the state with this interim protection on all the pending matters where he is now armed and protected by the order of the Supreme Court against any coercive action against him. So that will be very interesting to see.